Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be learning the line dance Mayday, choreographed to the song Mayday by Casey Barnes. This is going to be one of the dances we're going to be doing at Country Fest 2025, and I'll hope to see you down there at the festival. Let's get into the tutorial. Facing your front wall, your weight is going to be on your left leg. You're going to be starting with a right heel and a left heel, 2 steps forward and a double kick with the right. What that looks like is you're going to place that right heel out and bring it together, place that left heel out and bring it together. You're then going to walk forward, right, left, and you're going to do 2 kicks on the right leg. Kick, kick. From here, you're going to step back on that right, touch that left toe back, step forward on the right, and then scuff forward. So you're going to step back right and tap the left toe back, step forward on the left, and scuff the right. The next 4 counts, you're going to be completing a quarter turn to your right with a box step. What that is stepping across with the right, stepping back with that left, turning in a quarter turn with that right, and then stepping onto that left and taking the weight onto the left. Your next section here is completing a K-step. K-step is basically the letter K on the ground without the leg. So you're just going to be doing the fork. So moving forward on the right on that angle, you're going to step forward on the right, tap the left together and clap. Step back on that left, tap the right together with a double clap. Step back on the right, tap the left together with a clap. Step forward on that left and tap together with a double clap. The next part from here, you're going to step forward on that right, twist your heels forward and back, lean back onto that left, kick the right, step back on the right, tap the left toe back, step forward on left and scuff. It was an awful lot, but let's break that down. So stepping forward on that right, just a slight step forward, you're going to twist those heels forward and then back. And as you go back, you're going to lean back on that left. You're going to just do a low raised kick with the right, step back on the right, tap that left toe back, step forward on the left, and you're going to scuff the right. You've now completed the dance and you're ready to start the wall again with that right heel and left heel. Let's take it from the front wall and walk around all 4 walls. Don't forget, this is YouTube, so of course, go over and subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. And if you're struggling with any particular parts, rewind and replay those parts that you need a little bit of help with. Facing your front wall, weight is on your left, starting the dance from the beginning, right and left heel. 7, and we go right and left, walk, right, left, kick, kick, back, tap, step, scuff and cross, back, quarter turn, together, step right, back left, back right, forward left, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, step forward, scuff and right heel, left heel, walk, walk, kick, kick, back, tap, step, scuff and cross, back, quarter turn, together, K-step, right forward, left back, left forward, step and twist, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, step forward and scuff heels right and left, walk, right, left, kick, kick, back, tap, step, scuff, box step, cross, back, quarter turn, together, K-step, right forward, left back, left forward, step and twist, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap and step, scuff, start again, right and left, walk forward, right, left, kick, kick, back, tap, step, scuff, box step, cross, back, quarter turn, together, K-step, right and left, back right, forward left, step and twist, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, step, scuff, heel right and left. You're back to the beginning, facing your front wall, and you just continue the dance until the song ends. To finish this dance, you will be facing your 3 o'clock wall. You'll be just at the end of the dance where you've done your step, twist, twist, kick, step back, touch. When you go into that step scuff to finish it with the song, just step scuff to the front and you'll finish the dance and the music is finished as well. Look forward to seeing you all out there on the dance floor dancing this one up and enjoying a really great song by Casey Barnes. I'll see you in the next video.